Hi, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Today we're actually doing a outdoor window cleaning quote, and while we're here we did a property inspection. Noticed a few green algae mold starting to develop on the north side of the house, and also on the back of the roof there's a lot of algae and stuff growing on the shingles. So if you take a look below on the proposal, you'll actually see that there is some other services that you may want to have done while we're here. We can do like a discount, so if you pick 3 or more services, I'd be glad to give you 15% off those 3 services. That way we can work efficiently while we're here. So outdoor window cleaning is very effective when we clean with our mineral-free purified water, and we don't actually use soap or squeegees on the outside of your house. The way we do that is we scrub your glass with super purified water, and when that water dries, it takes all that water and the dirt off your glass, and then it dries crystal clear. It doesn't leave any soap residue behind, which will actually make your windows get dirty faster. So whatever you like, outdoors only, indoor, outdoor window cleaning, have your screens removed. Take a look at the differences in the packages below, which best meets your needs. My name is Eddie, owner-operator. We're here to serve you when your needs are ready, and you can call or text me with any questions. My cell is 815-520-6020. Hope you have a great day.